During the first part of an experiment, a ball was launched from a 7-foot tall platform. The graph shows the height y in feet of the ball x seconds after it was launched during the first part of the experiment. During the second part of the experiment, the ball was launched in the same way, but from a platform that is 2 feet shorter than the first platform. Which of the following graphs could represent the height y in feet of the ball x seconds after it was launched during the second experiment? So we have this graph here that gives us the height of the ball y as a function of x, which is seconds after it was launched. And we see it started at a platform that is 7 feet in the air, so y equals 7 here at this point. So in the second part of the experiment, the ball was thrown in the same way, but it was launched from a platform that is 2 feet shorter. So instead of starting at y equals 7, the platform is at y equals 5, which is 2 feet below the original platform. And we'd imagine that since it's thrown in the same way, the graph would look like the original graph, and it would fall to the ground when y equals 0 down here a bit faster than it originally did, since it's launched from a shorter platform. So if you look at the answer choices, answer choice A has the platform at y equals 4, so that's incorrect because we needed to start at y equals 5. Answer choice B has the platform here, and that does seem to be y equals 5. So B is likely the correct answer. And we can also see that instead of reaching the ground at x equals 1, it reaches the ground at a time slightly less than that. But let's check the others. C has the platform starting at y equals 9, so that's incorrect. And D has the platform at y equals 14. That's definitely not correct. So the only answer choice that's had the platform at y equals 5 was answer choice B.